Hi, my name is Rudy Dovale, and as a matter of fact, I am Rudy Dovale. I'm one of the organizers and originators of Spanish Water Resort here in Spanish Water. I've lived here close to 40 years. At this same spot, I'm 35 years, and I've seen it develop from fishing shacks to multi-million-dollar mansions. It's a beautiful place to live. I wouldn't trade it for anything. My wife and I are planning to stay here for the rest of our lives. We're right on the water, where many of the houses are. And if you're not right on the water, you're up on a little hill or a rise, and all you do is walk down 100 feet, and you've got nice, clear water. Look at this nice, clear water in this bay. And I hear in the near future, they're going to open up the other end of Spanish Water and let the water drain out. Fresh water coming in through the channel, going out through Caracas Byway. I've been in the Caribbean over 50 years, and I've been in practically every island in the Caribbean. And point by point, dollar by dollar, you can't beat a better island than Curaçao. They all have their things, but Curaçao has a charisma, a way of life that is unbeatable. We don't have any hurricanes. We've got sunshine 350 days of the year. We've got 50 different nationalities that get together, understand each other, appreciate each other, and are not offensive to each other. It really is a truly wonderful place to live. Now, if you're going to come to Curaçao to live, then look for a place on Spanish Water, because Spanish Water is the most ideal living area on the island of Curaçao. So think about it. If you want a good life, a really great, feel this wind that I've got here now. This is the breeze that keeps us cool all year round and keeps all the bugs off the island. This breeze is now blowing about 12 miles an hour, and we're perfectly happy here. So come join us in paradise. Come join us in Spanish Water, the island of Curaçao.